Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily hide last seen and online status from everyone or from a specific person on Telegram app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Telegram app. On Telegram, get into Settings and then tap on Privacy and Security. Right here, you can easily find last seen and online towards the middle of the screen, and then you can get into it to be able to set it up. So right here, at the very top, you can see who can see my last seen. By default, it's set to my contacts, but you can easily switch it to everybody or to nobody. If you want to hide your last seen just for one specific person or from a group of persons, you can select My Contacts here, and then you can add an exception. You can tap at Never Share With, and now you are able to add there some users in that simple way. Once you checkmarked all the users, you can just hit on Done, and now those users are at Never Share list, so you can in that way hide your last seen and online from specific users. Also, you can select Nobody here, and then you can add some users to Always Share With exceptions. In the simple way, you can check mark them, hit on Done, and from now that users will be able to see my online and last seen. That's how it works. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Telegram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and I'll see you in the next one.